Hey guys, this is Dave Faller with Your North Idaho Agent here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and I'm going to talk to you about my 5 tips to prep your house for sale. Hey, me and my team get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every day looking to learn more about North Idaho. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, click that notifications bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. And if you're looking to move to North Idaho now or 12 months from now, give us a call. We'd love to get that conversation started with you. Okay, let's jump right in. 5 things to help you get your house ready for sale. 1, declutter. Make sure that you start picking up all the things around your house. Nobody wants to see your fridge covered in everything that your kids have made from school. Take that stuff, put it away, tidy up, clean up countertops, make sure stuff is picked up. There's no reason why you need all that stuff. This is a great time for you to take stuff to the dump and get rid of things. Tip number 2, put away all your seasonal items. Go to Costco, Lowe's, Home Depot, get yourself a bunch of totes. You're planning on moving anyways, and start packing all your seasonal items. If it's the middle of summer, you don't need all those winter coats, all the winter jackets, sweatshirts. Limit what's in your closet. Put your snowboards away, skis, get all that stuff out of the way so people can see a little better throughout the house. Number 3, and this is a big one, complete unfinished projects. People ask me all the time, what should I do to get my house ready? Should I fix this? Should I do these things? You know, honestly, laying down new carpet or those types of things, repainting, they can be nice, but the truth be told, unfinished projects are the worst. Nobody has the same vision that you had when you started it. So finish the project, make sure it's complete so nobody else has to jump in there and finish up what you started. Tip number 4, have your house professionally cleaned. Not you, a professional. I know everybody knows how to clean their house so well, but the truth is you're not going to do as good of a job as having a professional come in and clean your house. This means professional carpet cleaning. Hire somebody. They don't charge that much. Have them come one time, do a deep clean, get all the cobwebs, dust, and everything else down. It will pay dividends when people come and look at your house. Number 5 is curb appeal. I cannot tell you how many times I pulled up in front of a showing with a buyer and they've immediately said, you know what? We don't even want to see the home. We've gone through all this stuff to look at your home and now we show up and nobody wants to see it because the front of the house looks terrible. Clean the concrete, cut your lawn, mow the lawn, edge it, trim your trees. Do what's going to make the house look good and inviting from the front. We need to get people into the house if you want a chance to sell it. Okay, hope those were helpful. Those were my 5 tips for prepping your house for sale. If you're looking to sell your home, please give us a call. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. And if you're looking to move to Idaho now or 12 months from now, give us a call. We'd love to get that conversation started.